Uh, I would like to congratulate the examiners, the organizers for this thing. I came to know through the Facebook actually, through the some advertisement and some. So we have. I am from Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh, India. So we have got a ART center, but actually I am the only one urologist working in my hospital. So if you know, most of the urologists they are preoccupied with the stones, with the prostate and the cancer. So usually they try to pass on these andrology cases to some other colleagues or some. But now with uh, this sort of I can say orientation program or that, these patients also deserve respect and then they also deserve some time. So I think I will spend some more time with these patients. So it is an eye opener, and especially the short wave therapy and the P shots and all these, they were new to me. But all the four or five speakers, they were all were excellent, and it was really I'm very happy with the program. Thank you.